Hey everybody, it's Fred, the Submarine Guy, coming to you. Today I'm going to give you a review of the Tube Domination program, the affiliate program that's just come out. And I got a great testimonial. I'll tell you what, it's already working for me. It's how to sell things by video, which used to be hard, right? But not anymore. So read on. This is going to blow you away. First of all, Tube Domination is a step-by-step product on how to make money by uploading simple videos without going on camera. You can go on camera if you want to, but you don't have to. See, I got my picture down here in the bottom right. You don't have to have that, but you can if you want to. Everything you need is in this course. The training is done by short videos by seasoned marketers that give you every detail. They're easy to follow. They have great notes that in the downloads that supplement the videos. And there's also a couple of nice bonuses that they include there. The one-time offers they have are very reasonable. They're not going to blow you away with, thousands of dollars of OTOs that you need to make it work. Everything you need is in the basic package, but they do have an OTO for extra descriptions, which is the part you put in the video down below, which is kind of key to making a sale on a video. They also have an OTO for to be an affiliate to resell the Tube Domination program, which I did take. And they also have a keyword selection tool for, I think it was $47 a month. I didn't take that. I may pick that up later. But that's one of the things that if you want to really dive down deep in keywords and that kind of thing, that'll probably help you out a lot. But it's a basic program on how to do videos and market them and make sales online, selling pretty much whatever you want. You can sell affiliate products. You can sell your own products. You can sell webinar subscriptions, cheap items, high-priced items, etc. I mean, you can sell anything by video. So let's move on. So who is Tube Domination for? Well, Tube Domination is for people who want to market online and make good income. And it's for people who would like to get the benefit and profits from videos without being on screen. Tube Domination is for people who don't like to make graphics, don't like to make web pages, and don't mind doing a little work. I mean, the work is making a video, which is not that hard, believe me. Just think, let's think about how nice it would be when you're making video profits from Tube Domination. Think how many bills you could pay off, how many vacations you can now afford, and how much retiring with that kind of income could make you. If you're selling $1,000 products, you sell a couple of those a week, man, that'd be just super for you. And video is the way to do it. Not many marketers are going to give you so much for so little. Everything you need for Tube Domination is included here. The website, the webinars, graphics, the emails, everything you need is in there in the basic package. I think you're really going to like this. Now, history shows, I don't know if you know this or not, but you need to stay abreast of top marketing techniques like video. Things come and go in the marketing world. Used to we had sales pages on paper that we mailed in the U.S. Postal Mail. Then we got into cassette marketing. Then we got into CD marketing. And then there's a lot of other things that have come and gone. But videos are the current most important marketing technique that you can use that is going to make sales for you. Video pulls better than any other medium for making sales. The one thing that we miss in online marketing is having the know, like, and trust factors from people like you would if you walked into a brick and mortar store in your local mall, right? You feel comfortable there. You know the owner probably. You know the salespeople. You can look and feel the items. But here online, you don't know me from Adam until you see me on a video, and video is the way for you to get to know me, to like me, hopefully, and to gain my trust, or to gain your trust, for me to gain your trust, so that you'll eventually buy something. And put yourself in my shoes. That's what video is going to do for you. In marketing online, you need a big ticket item in order to really profit for the long term. If you try to sell low ticket products, which you can do with video. I'm not saying you can't and you shouldn't, but it's don't let it be the only thing. If you're going to try to sell only low price items, you're going to be working like a dog the rest of your life. You need a high ticket item, and you can do that with affiliate sales. The training is complete. I made a $997 sale yesterday within hours after putting together my first video, and I didn't even send any traffic to the video. I got 11 organic views, just people that found my video by the keywords and the title and things like that, and somebody bought a $997 product, of which I made almost $500 on, within hours after putting together my first free video. This is literally the best way to pull money out of thin air that has ever existed. Making a video, making a sale, getting income, and all you did was make the video once and you make sales over and over and over. It works, and I did it with the training from Tube Domination. So who is Tube Domination not for? It's not for people who want riches overnight. Now, I did make a sale overnight while I was sleeping, I admit, but you got to put some work in this. You got to put some videos together. You got to drive some traffic to them. You got to get some backlinks to them. All that is in Tube Domination, and it tells you how to do that. None of it's hard. You just got to get to work and do it. Tube Domination is not for people who want something for nothing. It's not for people who are not willing to put the work in to put Tube Domination in motion. And it's certainly not for people who are lazy, whiners, criers, or bitchy people. You got to get over your own failures and get to work in your own business if you're going to make it work. Tube Domination is there to help you. It's not for people who aren't willing to roll up their sleeves and get to work. And that's what it takes in work to make good money. So what to do now? Watch the video over at this link, track.me/TubeDom. That link will be down in the video, in the description of this video, or on the blog post, or wherever you're watching this video. Grab the Tube Domination system. Get the OTOs if you can, and if you want to resell it and that kind of thing. Put Tube Domination to work for yourself, promoting affiliate products. You can find, like I did, a 997 affiliate product that you make $500 on, or you can market your own stuff. If you have a course, or you're a coach, or if you got a MLM or any other kind of product, you can sell those via video as well. So go down to the description below, grab the link for Tube Domination, and grab it and put it to work for yourself. Thanks, and have a great day.